Pavana Apanasana is our next pose. So from that seated position, gently lower yourself down towards the floor. Hands, forearms, elbows. Gently bring your back in contact with the floor. Using a strap, if you'd like, to modify this pose, grab a hold of the knee and pull the knee down towards the heart center. Extend the right leg. Relax the back. Activate the feet by pressing the heels away from you. Move the right leg in line with the spine by keeping the inner thigh in line with the midline of the body. And exhale. Relax the back body. Pull the strap closer towards your heart center. Exhale, relax. Without the strap, you would just use your fingers. You can clasp your fingers here. Inhale and pull that knee down towards the heart center, keeping the feet active. Inhale and exhale, relax the back. The other side. Inhale and lift the right knee, active feet. Extend the left leg, keep the left leg in line with the spine, and pull the right side up towards the shoulders and exhale. Keep the feet active. And exhale. In this pose as well, we can lift the upper body, chin to knee, breathing in and exhale. Breathing in as we bring the chin and the knee towards each other, active feet, and exhale. Gently lower the spine and extend the legs.